What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We got the red bike in the back of the wrap. I'm trying to see what's up for the day, man. About to get this thing offloaded, head up to this picnic, go get some breakfast and stuff. Not in that order, but just gotta offload this, get redressed, then we're gonna be sliding and glide, man. So without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get right into it, dog. Had to get that bike loaded up last night. Had to take my seat off, tour pack off, and everything, man. Had to play it safe. Put the ramp in the car. About to get this thing offloaded, man. So y'all gonna have to catch today's video tomorrow, man. But last night was kind of crazy. It was a lot going on. So y'all already know I'm gonna try to get y'all some real dope content today, man. Some better footage. Yesterday I was really just enjoying myself. So y'all know how it's gonna go. Got that thing offloaded, man. Now let's go change, dog. All right, man. Just met up with some of the homies. They at the mall and stuff. We had like Arizona meals and whatnot. But we out here about to go up, man. Y'all see what's going on, dog. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get y'all some riding content today. Bikes and people everywhere up in this joint, dog. Y'all see what's going on. It's hot as heck, though. Sweating like a motherfucker. Out here, ain't so many bikes out here, y'all. So many bikes, so many people. I ain't got some black on that. That burnt orange look good. That orange definitely look good. hot. That nigga shit hot, boy. God damn. That's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I know I told y'all I was gonna freaking throw the red bike up for auction, but man, after this weekend, I'm really enjoying it, really enjoying it. Now, I do think I want to keep this bike for at least a little while longer, man, at least until I get the CVO. Now, I can get rid of this one and get a CVO, but I want to see them kind of side by side. At least that's what I'm thinking. So if you guys are looking at this right now, man, the raffle is live. I'm gonna go with the 2013 first, just because I'm not sure what I want to do with this one. I kind of want to go a little bit further on this build. I'm going to get rid of that 2013, man. So if you guys want a raffle ticket, man, make sure you go to the website, but we only have 150 slots. Winner of the raffle will win the 2013 Harley Electric Glide, customized any color that you want. 21, of course. You guys know I like the wraparound, but I actually been liking this stock fender, man. So I know we already got a wraparound, so for now I'm gonna just go 21 with the wraparound. You guys get to choose the color, so you guys let me know. As for this red one right here, man, we will be keeping this one a little bit longer, man. I know I told you guys I was gonna give it up soon, but maybe next week or in a couple weeks, man. I want to go a little bit further on this build, at least enjoy the bike a little bit more, man. So with that being said, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Man, who's gonna be the winner of this bike, man? Let me know right now in the comments. Let me know where this bike is going. The 2013 Electric Glide is live, man. I'll catch you guys there, dog.